On the Bulletin homepage, go to Create an Account. Fill in the information such as your name, contact details, organisation, role and sector. Then choose a strong password. Let us know your contact preferences and create an account. Now you can create your own personal alerts by clicking on the red Create Alert button. First, give your alert a name you can recognise. Then choose which types of notice you want to receive and then which sectors. Next, you define which areas of the UK waters you want your alerts to cover. The plus and minus icon on the map allows you to zoom in and out to get the positioning right. Use the circle icon to draw one or more circles on the map. Your circle can then be expanded, reduced, or repositioned in order to refine your search area. When you're happy with your search area, or areas, select Next. Now decide if you want your alerts by email only, or also as SMS alerts sent to your phone. If you have the app installed on your smartphone, you will automatically receive a ping. And then select Save Alert. You can now use your personal dashboard under the Manage My Alerts section to pause, delete or edit your alerts. Now you're all set up to receive instant alerts whenever Kingfisher Bulletin notices are added or updated for your chosen search areas. If you want to add new alerts, you can do so whenever you like. And as we said, it's a free service, all designed to help you and your crew stay safe at sea.